the brand new 2020 Matchbox case. The first Matchbox of the year. Here we go. Matchbox! This right here is the S case. And we are loving the Matchbox. And before I pop this totally open, Thursday, December 12th, we are doing our next giveaway. Have you guys entered? There's gonna be at least 60 winners. I hope you've entered. Here we go. Matchbox 2020, the first case of the year. There's the top-down view. We're gonna go 3x3. Matchbox comes in 24 cars per case. Had a little insert in there. We're gonna go 3x3 here. The first 3 cars in the case are all 61 Ford Rancheros. You can tell they updated the card back a little bit for 2020. Everybody loves a Ranchero. Who doesn't love a Ranchero? Okay, there's the first 3 cars of the case. The next 3 cars are a 74 Volkswagen Type 181, also known as the Thing. Got a big banana car. It's the first time I've seen that. And then as well, you've got the 75 Chevy Caprice. Let's just take a quick look at each one of these here. Here's a nice little view of the Type 181. That's a very cool car. It says The Thing on the side graphic there. The big banana car is brand new. Looks like it's got 4 seats and a banana. Very funny. The big banana. Then you've got the 75 Chevy Caprice. It's a very cool car too. The next 3 cars in the case. This is interesting. There are 3 of these. They are all the Ford Police Interceptor. Check that out, guys. Got a nice little brush guard on the front. People can't get enough of the Matchbox police cars. The next 3 cars in the case are an Alfa Romeo Giulia, a Nissan NV van, and a load lifter. The load lifter we've had before in different colors. Check out this 16 Alfa Romeo. It's a very sweet car. Nice little view of it. Here's a view of the Nissan NV van. Very cool. The next 3 cars in the case. We've got 2 03 Mini Cooper S's, and then we've got a 2016 Nissan Titan Warrior Concept. Here's a nice little view of the Mini Cooper. And here's a nice little view of the Nissan Titan. It's a pretty good looking truck there, guys. Got the Titan on the front of the hood. Very cool. The next 3 cars in the case. Here we go. Got a International Workstar brush fire truck. We've got an NYPD Chevy Caprice Classic Police, and we've got another load lifter, which we've looked at. Check this out. This is the Los Angeles County Fire Department Rescue Squad brush fire. Let's See if you guys can see that logo here. The brush fire is always a super collected vehicle. Very cool. And then you got the NYPD Chevy Caprice. There's a nice little view of it. The last 6 cars in the case, as the case is empty. We've got 2 '57 Ford Thunderbirds and a Chevy Colorado Extreme. I've always loved this car, but I don't think you can fit in this if you're over 5'10". Super cool car. And here's a nice little view of the Chevy Colorado Extreme. Nice blue. In the last 3 cars, we've got another low lifter. We've got a Sonora shredder, which they've done quite a few times. And we got a special car right here. This one right here is a 62 Mercedes-Benz 220 SE Sedan. And it's got a nice card back with the first female touring car champion, the Grand Prix winner. I'm not sure exactly how to say her name, but it's looks like Uwe Rosfisk. That's a very nice Mercedes, guys. Got 711 on the side. Very cool. Thank you guys again for joining us for Wheel Collectors Hot Off the Truck. This is the Mercedes. Don't forget about our giveaway on December 12th. I hope you guys have entered. There's going to be a lot of winners winning a lot of cool stuff. There's a nice little top-down view. Thank you guys. This is Wheel Collectors Hot Off the Truck.